up friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Bobby bear hug. So first let's get started with the top of our hair. So coming up towards the middle on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the right hand side. Moving underneath in the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that around and then up. Let's leave a gap coming directly down now and draw in our nose. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we're going to connect this together at a point in the middle with two diagonal lines from both sides. On the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. On the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then down in the corner, connecting that together on both sides. Let's draw on the bottom of the mouth now. So we're going to draw a nice big letter U. And we're just going to make sure that connects on both sides. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal letter V for the tooth. And then for the tongue, we're just going to draw on a curved line from left to right, arching that up in the center. Now let's draw in our eyes. So in the middle, stepping over to the right, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving over on the left-hand side, leaving a small gap in the middle, we will replicate that. Let's move across now on the right-hand side. We're going to curve this line up for the bottom of the eye. And again, we'll replicate that over on the left-hand side. Let's draw in the rest of the eye now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down, connecting that in the corner. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to replicate that, curving that around and then down. Now let's draw in a nice big oval. So on the right hand side, we're going to start on the top here, curving this line around, bringing this all the way around and back up and in towards the top. And then on the left hand side, we're going to start underneath the hair here. So we're going to curve this line around and then bringing that up towards the top. Let's draw on the top of the head now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then moving over on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that again, ending at roughly the same height. Now for the cheek, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Dropping down now, we're going to start underneath, curving this line around and then in. Again, replicating that on both sides. Now let's close off the bottom of the face. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that down in the center, and then bringing that back up on the right-hand side. Now let's draw in the ears. So we're going to start over on the right-hand side, curving this line up, down, and then back in. And then over on the left-hand side behind the hair, we're going to curve this line up, down on a diagonal, and then back in. In the center now on the top, we're going to curve this line from top to bottom, and then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here to close this off, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back in, just replicating that shape. And then we'll do the same thing up on the left-hand side. Let's move down now and draw in the torso. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, down towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing over on the right-hand side. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. In the center for the heart, we're going to curve this line up and then back in. And then in the center again, we're going to curve this line up and then back in. Now on both sides, we're just going to curve this line down. Moving across on the outside, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And then from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now from here for the arms, we're going to step across and we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the right hand side, we'll replicate that, arching that around and then back in. On the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's step further in for the legs. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then we'll do the same thing on the left hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here for the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from the corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. Now on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw baby Bobby Bearhug. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.